All right, Kyle. I don't know if this is going to work. I'm a little crazy because it's pouring rain outside. It is 13-mile-an-hour winds with 26-mile-per-hour gusts. But the skunk division of Kyle Designs came up with a crazy idea last night. I did it. We're going to try it. All of the parts that I need, I got to wait 2 days for Amazon. Nobody got time for that, so I'm not waiting. All right. Without further ado, so there's my radio for perspective. And here's what the Skunworx came up with. 30 millimeter sub 200 grams. So remote ID won't even matter. It's sub 200. Actually, even with a bigger battery, I got a smaller battery coming in the mail. I got a smaller ESC coming, but I ain't gonna wait for that. So we're gonna give this a go. As it sits right now, it's 217 with that huge battery, bigger ESC. I got gyro on board, so I don't know. We're gonna give it a go. Worst that can happen, it doesn't fly, but we're gonna try it. Here we go. And I'm not at my normal field because I don't have time to drive there, so. The battery coming in the mail is going to be 4, so this motor's rated for 4S. That was a bad throw. Let me try it again. It's fine. Of course it is. Let's try it again. Who knows? Alright, we're going to try throwing it into the wind. So I got little micro servos, 30 millimeter, 6 fin EDF. I wish it were 11 or 12, but it is what it is. It's the highest thrust 30 millimeter I could find, which was 250 grams. Wish my GoPro was working. My GoPro broke, so I got a backup right now. That's not a GoPro. Alright. Here we go. So small, there's not a great way to launch it. And the aerodynamics aren't that great because I got everything taped on right now. works. Alright, I'm gonna roll back home and send you this video.